Hi guys, this is Natasha, and today I am going to provide you with 5 tips on how to sell your house super fast. So those of you who are new to my channel, I'd like to provide tips and tricks for first-time home buyers and sellers, along with community tours and promoting local businesses here in Gainesville, Virginia. And if you haven't already done so, be sure to subscribe so that you won't miss any of my weekly updates. And with that being said, I'm just going to dive right into 5 tips and tricks on how to sell your house fast. And I'm going to do this right now. So number 1 would be stop believing everything you guys read online. Zestimates are nothing more than a guess based on what the homes have sold in your area within the last year are. They're not inside of your house, and they can't possibly know the difference between your home and your neighbor's home. Although you and your neighbors may have the exact same house, even same bedrooms, same square footage, if everything is identical, the interior of the home and the condition also plays a huge role in determining a good list price. Number 2, have your realtor provide you with an accurate CMA, meaning that they would need to do an on-site property analysis. And the only way to do that is by having them come to your house. Number 3, don't waste time looking for your next house instead of preparing your home for sale. Many people like to spend so much time finding their next home, and when they want to submit an offer, it makes it so difficult. So it makes it difficult for everybody. In that spare time, you could be packing, painting, decluttering, and always remember that when we put a house on the market contingent upon the seller finding their home of choice, that gives the seller every right to just, not sell his house if he doesn't find his home of choice. Number 4, pricing. It's important for you to price your home based on the comps that have sold within the last year. Many sellers would want to price their home at that higher end of the comps. However, you would also need to take into consideration the amount of days on the market, and you will notice that the homes that are priced a little bit higher have a higher chance of staying on the market longer, especially if your house doesn't show like a model. And it's no surprise that the homes that are on the market for 2 to 3 weeks or even more, they're officially stale. No one wants to see those houses. Here's my strategy to sell your house fast. If your home is worth $205,000, my best advice would be to price it at $199. Buyers know a good deal when they see one. Most of the time, they will jump on it. If you have a good agent, then they will also advertise and create a hype for your potential buyers that are in the market. And that may result in multiple offers. When there's multiple offers, the price can escalate. And finally, the seller has that power to choose the highest and best offer out of the bunch. So why? I'll tell you in just a second. Number 5, the buyer pool. Buyers today search on their phones or on some online platform, which allows them to control everything that they are searching for. And they filter their searches so that they can only see what they're looking for. They don't want to see anything else other than what they're specifically looking for. Some of the things that they filter, such as the price, number of bedrooms, bathrooms, cities, school districts, so much. But it's imperative to price your home within a range to stay within that buyer's pool. Buyers today are searching in $2,500, $1,000 increments. Hypothetically speaking, if your house is listed at $199, that's great, because now anybody that's searching for a house that is, priced between $150,000 and $200,000 would have exposure to your listing. However, going back to my original point, why I would like to price a house at $199 is because if we list it at $205, then those who have filtered their searches to only see homes that are under 200,000 are going to totally miss out on seeing your listing. So that's an entire audience that we would be, totally missing out on. That's why I think it's really important. And, this video, I really hope this video has been helpful to those that are in a rush to sell, or those that need to sell their house fast and are just trying to, kind of get some more information on how they could do that. So don't forget to subscribe and feel free to leave a comment below if you guys have any questions. I will see you next time.